This is a test. For the next 60 seconds, this station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test.
What's up, guys? Your boy Breezy back with another video. I'm about to feed the babies. Feed some of these babies in this tub. They're over here waiting. And I got some more reds on here. The reds, they have their own tub for themselves. And then I got the Dunners down here. We'll start feeding the babies right here. Gonna throw a little bit of babies in the There we go. Just getting their little chow down. Plenty of dubias for all of you guys. I like to give them dubias in portions. So throw a little bit inside here, and then I'll throw a little bit inside here. Good. That's good. As you can see, the baby's starting to eat in here too. Throw some more babies inside here for the Dunners. Got the Dunner babies eating.